Every day feels better when you take care of your health. And one supplement I never skip is nature-made vitamin D3. 2,000 IUs of pure D3, the sunshine vitamin your body loves. It supports my immunity, energy, and bone strength, all in one tiny soft gel. I feel more focused and energetic throughout the day. Even when I don't get enough sunlight, D3 keeps me balanced. And I trust Nature Made, America's #1 pharmacist-recommended vitamin brand. Nature Made Vitamin D3. Feel the sunshine within.